MOAI Lab, the future of decision-making. In a world of ever-increasing complexity, the quality of our decisions defines our success. From the factory floor to the global supply chain, every choice, big or small, carries immense weight. What if we could elevate the quality of every judgment? What if we could embed practical, powerful optimization into the very fabric of our daily operations? This is the world being built by MOAI Lab. Our mission is clear and ambitious: to bring effective optimization to every decision-making scene. Our vision is a society where optimization and AI fundamentally elevate the quality of judgment for everyone. We are a lean, elite team of 7 technologists, a powerhouse that includes 5 PhDs led by university professors with deep academic and real-world expertise. Our work is driven by 4 core values: a focus on speed, a commitment to results, a deep respect for the on-site frontline, and a generative AI-native approach to everything we do. Our solutions are precisely tailored to meet the needs of 2 key market segments. First, for large enterprises, including top consulting firms, system integrators, and major players in manufacturing, logistics, retail, and finance. Their challenge lies in solving highly complex optimization problems that are too difficult or time-consuming for existing methods. They require advanced forecasting, seamless integration of machine learning and optimization, and expert guidance on implementing the latest state-of-the-art technologies. The brain behind our entire operation is AGI-4OPT, our proprietary, specialized general-purpose AI engine for optimization. AGI-4OPT is a game-changer. It analyzes client hearings, text, and data to understand the structure of any optimization problem. It then automatically, or semi-automatically, selects and applies the perfect tool for the job, whether it's mathematical optimization, meta-heuristics, machine learning, or a sophisticated fusion of them all. Crucially, it is a learning system that continuously improves its performance. Flowing from this powerful core, we offer a comprehensive suite of solutions, including AGI-4IBP, our cutting-edge agentic AI system for integrated business planning.